Thank you very much for joining me again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn on and turn off the predictive text. The predictive text mean when you just type something and it will predict the next word for you. Let's say welcome back to work, like these things. So if you want to just turn on and off, in this video I'll show you how we can do that. Those are very simple steps. So there are a couple of options. When you go here into the settings, again general management. So after general management, when you go into the after general management, when you go, this is Samsung keyboard settings, and in the settings, very second one, you'll find the predictive type. When you turn on turn this off, it will not give you the predictive text. So let's try with this thing again. So go here, type some new message. So let's say go with the welcome. See, it is not giving me anything, any predictive thing. When I turn it on, so when I turn on it will write on welcome back from this. See, so if you want to turn off and on, that's how it works. If you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Thank you.